How to fix Instagram message not sending problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Instagram not sending message problem. So sometimes when you try to send message on TikTok, the message will not be sent or you won't be able to send a message. So in this video, I'll show you what may be the reasons behind it and all of their solutions as well. So first of all, if you are not being able to send a message, what you have to do is check whether you have stable internet connection or not. So if you are on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, and if you are on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi and again try sending a message. Now if you still aren't able to send a message, go to your Play Store or App Store, and then in the search bar type in Instagram. Now as you can see, my Instagram shows update, meaning my Instagram app is not up to date, so that may be a cause of your problem. So sometimes when your app is not up to date, it may restrict some features, and that may be what is causing your message to not be sent. So try updating your app, and once it's updated, try sending the message again. But if it still doesn't work, what you can do is go to your settings and then go to apps. Now locate Instagram, and it will take you to this page where you'll have to go to storage and cache. Now try clearing both your Instagram cache as well as all of the storage. And now once you've done that, go to your Instagram app and then try sending a message. In most of the cases you will be able to send a message now, but if for some reason you are still not able to send a message, what you can do is uninstall the Instagram app altogether and reinstall it, and also restart your phone. Now in doing all of these, your problem will surely be fixed and you will be able to send a message on Instagram. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.